All right, guys, I got a notification on my 2021 BMW M3 that the coolant is low, and so I'm going to show you how to refill it. After January 2018, you're supposed to use the green coolant, but your vehicle potentially could have been shipped with the older coolant still in it, which is the blue colored coolant. You're not supposed to mix different types of coolants, and so even though this green coolant is backwards compatible, as in if your car is pre-2018, January 2018, you can use the green coolant, but you can't mix the colors. So you would have to drain and refill with the green coolant. The blue coolant is not forward compatible, as in it's not supposed to be used on cars post January 2018. Okay, so you only need 4 things to be able to do this job. You need a funnel, you need a measuring cup, you need distilled water, and you need the coolant. Open the hood by pulling this latch twice. Lift the hood. You have 2 tanks. One on this side, there's where we're gonna refill, and one on that side. If this one is low and you can't see what color your coolant is that is in your car right now, open this one and it'll likely still be full, and you should be able to see what color your coolant is. Now make sure that your car is cool before you open the tank, because the system will be pressurized and that hot liquid could potentially spray at you. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and open the tank, and I'm gonna pause here for a second so that you can see on the left the minimum and on the right the maximum level. You can see that my tank is entirely empty. That's why I was not able to determine from here what color fluid I used, so I used the other tank. We're gonna go ahead and refill this to the max level. All right, now I've already diluted my coolant 50-50 with distilled water, so I'm going ahead and refilling this. And now you can see that I've filled it to essentially the max. I put a little bit more in after I recorded this video. All right, so now you just close up your tank, make sure everything is lined up. There's 2 arrows that point to each other, yellow ones. You wanna make sure that your tank is closed exactly to that point. And then once everything is all closed up, just start the car again, and just make sure that your system recognizes that the coolant has been refilled. And that should be it.